Hi guys, this guy is running off these two cells that are aluminium and copper strips, and I've just noticed that that one, oh, it's actually falling off as I lift it up. It's got quite a layer of some sort of salt deposited on it. I'll give that a little clean in a minute. I expect that one's the same. If I can open it with one hand. I can't. It's not that it's done up tight, but I think what's happened is it's probably heated and twisted a little bit in the sun here. Right. Can we actually see through the glass? Don't know. But it has got a white deposit on it. So I'll clean them off and see if that improves his performance. He is moving, but you wouldn't know unless you absolutely studied him. Him, her, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like white crystals in the bottom there. I'll refresh this, I'll swill it out. It's only plain water in there, tap water. Just for the record, the aluminium in here was cut from one of those takeaway trays. The aluminium in the other cell was cut from a beer can, and the paint scraped off it. And this one, well, it's got a little bit of white on it, except we're out of focus. Yeah, got a little bit of white on it, not much. There's a few white crystals in the bottom of there. I assume that's aluminium oxide or something like that. Right, cleaned, reassembled. Reconnected. I have been doing little videos showing that he goes better when the water is warmed up in the sunshine. But he's doing all right with fresh water. It's nothing like as powerful as that one, but it is moving. A little bit later in the day, the sun is shining brightly. That's warmed up the water in the galvanic cells in the jars. So now he's really happy. What else have we got? Oh yeah. That one's solar. He's solar off that one. He's solar off that one. And that one's solar off the panel in front of it via that circuit. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show. Once his water's warmed up, he's fine.